Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Google GIF not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store and on the search bar simply type in Google GIF. Once you do that, all you gotta do is simply tap on the Google GIF application and then check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. But if you are still facing the issue, then the next thing that you can do is just simply long tap on the Google GIF app, and then there you'll have an option that says app info. Simply tap on that and there you'll have an option to clear the cache and clear the data. Simply do that and try again, and that will fix the issue. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.